If you want to allow audio and video calls from people you follow on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly where to find the setting and turn it on in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want to control who can contact you with calls while still keeping your account settings easy to manage. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open X on your browser and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom, click on More. This opens the full menu with additional account settings and options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. On the next screen, select Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps many of the controls related to your account activity, messaging, and communication preferences. Next, find and click Chat. This section contains the options for chat and calling features on the platform. Once you're inside Chat, look for the section labeled Allow Audio and Video Calls From. You'll see different options depending on how your account is set up. To allow calls from people you follow, simply toggle on People You Follow. Once this is enabled, the setting will be active, and people you follow will be able to make audio and video calls to you based on X's calling permissions. And that's it. You've now turned on audio and video calls from people you follow in X. If this tutorial was helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide.